Most people don't waste money because products are bad. They waste money because they buy the wrong way. And the problem is, most people don't even realize it. Today, I want to explain why this happens and how smart buyers think differently before spending money. Welcome to Nnelor. This channel is about clear thinking, smart decisions, and understanding what really matters before you buy anything. No hype, no pressure, just useful insights to help you choose better. Most people don't actually choose products. They react. They react to ads, discounts, trends, and recommendations that were never designed for their real needs. Companies are extremely good at selling, but being good at selling doesn't mean the product is right for your situation. And this is where most buying mistakes begin. One of the biggest mistakes people make is buying based on price alone. Cheap doesn't automatically mean good, and expensive doesn't automatically mean better. Price is only one piece of the puzzle, but many people treat it as the only factor that matters. Another common mistake is buying features you will never use. Products are often packed with impressive features, but real value comes from usefulness, not complexity. If a feature doesn't improve your daily experience, it adds no real value. Many people also follow the crowd blindly. A product can be popular, highly rated, and trending everywhere, yet still be completely wrong for your specific situation. Popularity does not equal suitability. Smart buyers think differently. Before buying anything, they clearly define their real need. Not what looks exciting, not what marketing highlights, but what actually solves their problem. They also learn to ignore marketing noise. They focus on facts instead of emotions, and on long-term usefulness instead of short-term excitement. Finally, smart buyers compare value, not labels. They look at durability, practicality, and how a product fits into their life over time. The best product is not the most expensive one or the most popular one. It's the one that fits your situation best. Buying smarter isn't about spending less money. It's about wasting less money. And once you understand how to think before buying, your decisions become clearer, calmer, and more effective. If you want to make smarter buying decisions and avoid costly mistakes, subscribe to Nnelor and turn on notifications so you never miss a new video. Clear, honest insights are coming. This was Nnelor. Thank you for watching until the end. See you very soon.